any kind of website. So first of all, how to can engage the audience using events. How to create an events on Google My Business. So any kind of event will be designed by the maybe mostly we can create by events on Google Maps only for educational websites. Which one? Educational website. So first of all here, select your Google My Business, select your map. In this map, option call is post. In this create, add event and publish. When event publish in time, compulsory image is more powerful. Image is more powerful. Select your image. We can go for this one. Select here. And what are the event content is there? Select your event content. This image, what we can design by here, is this one. After image, you can add your template image. Title. Next, event start date. Event start date will be second. Add time. What the time will be? Compulsory add your time. When you add your time for Indian time zone, 7:30 a.m. Go for 7:30 a.m. When event will be finished, same date. When it is finished, 9 a.m. And add more details. What is that? Event details means event description. Or the final button is the book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up and call now. Whatever we can go for sign up. We can go for your contact us page. Copy and paste it. Or finally publish. What are the parameters? Once again, I repeat. First, image is important, and here is the content, start date, start time, end date, and end time. More information, your event, and button, and your website URL. Finally, publish. First time add the event details. After what the final thing is publish. After publishing, what are the parameters you are publishing here? We can promote by where? For social media. We can promote by social media. The social media more important. First of all, after sharing this content, first you can refresh by the 2 to 3 times. What are the content you are updating? We can minimum you have refresh by the 2 to 3 times. More time refresh also very good. To image will be crawling purpose. Image will be crawling purpose. Sometimes we can using for control F5 also. Multiple refresh. Multiple refresh. So in this one, share Facebook. Image is there. Once again close back and once again refresh. Share and your Facebook. Select here. Select your proper page. Your compass are used by hashtags. Okay. Next, for the immediate, we can go for Twitter. Twitter, this much of cat not supported. You can add only for particular characters. Tweet. Go to Twitter. Select your profile. In this, showing or not. If I'm clicking that Twitter, they're going to where? They're going to your Google Map. Contact us. If I or the final destination is your website. And same way you can go to where? Your Facebook also. You can go to open, select your website to your Facebook page. Scrolling down. Share here. What option? Search.google.com. Where you can go for same as is Google My Business event is a website, and here go for sign up. Is it clear? What are the events you shared by? First of all, share to your Facebook and Twitter. Twitter, do they come back to your event? And the final list is your website traffic. So this is how you can create by event, in particular shared by your social media. So how to reach audience? When you share a comment your map, they will reach by your particular audience.